Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day today. I want to stop by today to say to you, did you know it's only $25 to join Scentsy this month? You still have time to be a part of the Scentsy family, guys. So go to my website at Wickless All Stars and check it out, guys. WicklessAllStars.com. Go to my website and check out the $25 kit, guys. Just click on the join button and all of the details will be there, guys, to be able to assist you and being a part of this amazing fragrance company. Go global with it, guys. Get paid on all your purchases. Go to the website and check it out, guys. But I want to also come and stop by and tell you about the 5 things you didn't know about starting a Scentsy business. 5 things that you didn't know about starting a Scentsy business. There are so many reasons to join Scentsy, from world-class events and amazing travel opportunities to our fabulous products and a tight-knit community that we have, guys, of genuine, encouraging, make you laugh out loud friends, guys. We could mention about 1 million small but significant benefits that add up to the whole enchilada when it comes down to being a part of Scentsy, guys. And you've probably heard or guessed many of them before. But we also have a mysterious side, guys. We have a mysterious side. Like the secret menu of your favorite coffee shop, the list is made up of the none too obvious but equally delicious reasons why Scentsy is the only way to go. So guys, check them out. Be prepared to swoon. People are never going to stop loving fragrance. That's the number one thing. People are never, ever, ever, ever going to stop loving fragrance, guys. They're just not. They're just not. The global fragrance market is expected to grow an average of 5.9% every year through 2026. Through 2026, guys. That's future market insights. That's quite a few new customers, guys. Quite a few new customers. And because Scentsy is already established worldwide as the place for home, personal, on-the-go fragrances to love, a lot of the legwork has already been done for you. A lot of the legwork has already been done for you. You may earn more than you think. That's number 2. You may earn more than you think, guys. We are a come as you are company. Scentsy is a come as you are company, guys. I love that. Come as you are. I'm sold. Come as you are. Which means you don't need a fancy degree. You don't need a fancy degree or sales experience to be successful with Scentsy. The Scentsy opportunity is built to be adapted to your lifestyle, talents, and strengths. Our consultants start out at 20% commissions. I'll put the income disclosure in the description. Our consultants start out with a 20% commissions on their sales plus bonuses and perks. Reach 1,000 points in personal retail volume, roughly $1,000 in sales for a quick 5% raise instantly. Bam, boom, it's yours, okay? Number 3, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Your Scentsy business is yours. Your Scentsy business is yours. Your Scentsy business is yours. You decide how much and when you want to work. You decide that. You make that choice. You make that decision. Plus, you get to define your own Scentsy style. You get to come up with your own style and do your own thing. So that's one of the reasons why I love being a part of Scentsy. I've been a part of Scentsy for 12 years. I'm loving it. Can't stop, won't stop. So love it. But you're not exactly starting from scratch either. Our consultants come from all walks of life, and together we've honed a can't miss strategy for success. Together we've honed it, guys. We worked on it. We got it. Boom. We're taking care of business. We handle it, and we're sharing all of our tips and ideas with each other, and we want to see each of you grow and make it to the top, guys. The wealth of information and training is available to you from the start. So everything you want to know about Scentsy, it's available for you. We have amazing tools, website, everything. Ask questions, even if you're on my team, not on my team. I'm here to help you every step of the way. So if you come to me and say, Sharita, I got a question. I want to know about fundraisers. I want to know about how to get my Scentsy business going. I got you. We're here to help everybody. We're here to bless lives, change lives daily. That's what it's all about. Yes. Sharing is caring. Yes. And together we achieve more. Okay. Yes. Teamwork makes the dream work. Okay. Yes. Love it. So add a supportive industry leading home office team that equips you with all the tools you need to run your own business, including 4 months of a personal website for free. You could sell Scentsy products online, just $10 a month after that. Your website is free for 4 months. But after that, it's $10 each month after that, which is so good because you don't even have to manage your website. Scentsy Home Office does all of that for you. Every time there's a new catalog, Scentsy Home Office will change out that catalog for you, and Scentsy Home Office will be the one to make sure that that website is updated. All you have to do is share your link, share your website with everyone, post it on social media, text it out to friends. You get to sell, depending on what market you in, you get to sell everywhere. It's just, I love being a part of Scentsy, especially I'm from the United States. So you get to sell in Mexico, Canada, and United States, but you can go inside of the workstation and you could be able to add the other e-commerces to share Scentsy and be able to add new team members from other countries that's a part of Scentsy. So Scentsy's in like 14 different countries, if I have that down correctly. If not, it may be 11 different countries. But however, there's a lot of different countries that you could also add to your team depending on what country that you're in. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to click on my website at wicklessallstars.com, and you'll be able to choose which country you want to be a part of. So yes, I love it. And I'm here to help you every step of the way, guys. So with that being said, number 4, guys. Oh, not only to mention, plus all of the new products, promotions, sales, and marketing tools you need to get the job done. You'll have all of those marketing tools. You have everything that you need to get the job done. Plus, me as your sponsor. We partner up with companies, people that we love, like Disney, Marvel. We partner with so many different companies, guys. It's amazing. So many amazing companies that we partner with. So you not only get to sell the best fragrance products in the world, lovingly designed by our in-house experts, you also get to boost your business by selling licensed products from the Disney collection, the Major League Baseball collection, NCAA products. Who knows what companies we may partner with next? Who knows what company Scentsy may partner with next? We just have no idea what's next. But it's been an amazing ride so far. It's been an amazing journey so far. Yes. And I'm excited to see what happens next. What about you? Number 5, our low-cost enrollment can be a no-cost enrollment. We don't want something as silly as $99 enrollment fee to be the barrier for anyone who loves Scentsy and wants to join our community, guys. So you can also, Scentsy also has an Earn a Kit program that allows you to host a party for me or any Scentsy consultant. And then you'll use the host awards to earn a host exclusive starter kit to enroll as a Scentsy consultant. Isn't that amazing? However, right now, Scentsy has a $25 join special. So you go to my website, wicklessallstars.com, click on the join button, and you'll be able to enroll for only $25. How cool is that? Yes. So here is one bonus reason that just might outweigh all the rest. When you join Scentsy, you become part of something bigger than yourself. Yes, you become something part of much bigger than yourself, guys. This might be the best decision you ever make, guys. Be honest, can you think of a single reason not to start Scentsy now? We didn't think so. I didn't think so. Did you think so? No, I can't think of a reason. So go ahead, guys, go to my website and click on the wicklessallstars.com. Click on the join button. Come on and let me be your Scentsy guru. Let me be your Scentsy go-to person. Let me be your future sponsor and mentor, guys. And get the skinny on what happens next. Get the skinny on what happens next. Yes. So I'm going to add the income disclosure here. And I just want to say, come on, be a part of Scentsy. It's only $25 to join, or you can earn your host kit for free. So thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I love you guys. You are amazing and can't wait to see you as a new Scentsy consultant. Yay! Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Love you guys so much. Bye.